Hello children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Subject GK. Children, this is my first video of this week, and in this week video I am going to start with a new chapter, and it is also very interesting. So in this chapter children, I am going to teach you the chapter 17, page number 23, and the name of the chapter short names. SHORTNAMES, names, short names. Children, first you should know about the short names. Why do we today we will learn about the short names? Because short names are easier to understand and to speak also. Big words take time to speak and to write also, so for our convenience we use some short words of the big words. So short words are given in page number 23. After me you all will learn. Like first word, it has given paper. Paper for newspaper. We use short word paper. PAPER, paper for newspaper. NEWS, news. News, PAPER, papers, newspaper. Now next one is here plane for aeroplane. We use PLANE, plane. It is short word for aeroplane. AERO, arrow. PLANE, plane. Aeroplane, plane for aeroplane. Now next one is here auto. So auto for auto rickshaw. AUTO, auto for auto rickshaw. AUTO RICKSHAW, shaw, auto rickshaw. So auto for auto rickshaw. Now next one is here freeze. FRIDGE, freeze. Freeze for refrigerator. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. We use short word freeze for refrigerator. Okay children. Now next one is here next hanky for handkerchief. And spelling of handkerchief children, HAND, hand. KERCHIEF, chief. Handkerchief for hanky for handkerchief. Okay children, we use short. In short, hanky, we speak hanky. Now next one, next word is here phone. Phone for telephone. Phone for telephone. PHONE, phone for telephone. TELE, telephone. PHONE, phone, telephone. Now next one is here next word mobile or cell for mobile phone. Mobile or cell for what? Mobile phone. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone. We speak in short cell, or we can also speak mobile. MOBILE, mobile. Now next one, next word is here after that remote. REMOTE, remote for remote control. Remote for remote control. REMOTE, remote. CONTROL, control. Remote control. Remote is short for remote control. Now next one is here next word is here cooker. Cooker for pressure cooker. COOKER, cooker. We use short word cooker for pressure cooker. And spelling of pressure cooker, PRESSURE, pressure. COOKER, pressure cooker. In short, we speak cooker. Now next, net. Net is the short word of what? Internet. INTER, inter, NET, net. Internet. We use net in short. Now next, children, you all will speak. After that, what do we write in short for metro rail? What will you speak? Only we write rail. RAIL, rail. Rail for metro rail. Rail for metro rail. Now next one is here what you just tell me children. For toothpaste, what do we write in short? We write paste. PASTE, paste. PASTE, paste. for toothpaste. Now next one is here. After that, TV for television. In short, we speak TV. TV for television. Spelling of television: television. Television. TV for television. Now next one is here. Grandpa for grandfather. In short, we speak grandpa. Grand. Grand. Pa. Grandpa. Grand. Grand. Pa. Grandpa for grandfather. Now next one is here. Next picture. Next. Grandma for grandmother. Grandma for grandmother. Grand. Ma. Grandma. Okay. Now next one is here. Bro. In short, we speak bro for brother. Bro. Bro. In short, we speak bro for brother. Spelling of brother: brother. Brother. Now next one is here. After that, sister. What? Sister. Sister. In short, we speak sis. Sis is for sister. Okay, children. Now next one is here. Mom or mum for mother. Mum, or and we can say also mom. Okay, children. Mom or mum for mother. 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 After that, tablet. In short, we say tab. 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 Tab for tablet. Tab for tablet. Now then after. So children, these are the short names of given big words. Now children, after that today we all will one time recall. What we all will recall? We all will recall the what month's name with their number of days. So one by one we all will read and also try to learn. Like first one is here. January. Jan. What is the spelling of January, children? January. January. January has 31 days. How many days in the month of January? 31. Now next one is here. February has 28 days. February. February. February has 28 days. Now next one is here. March. 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 March has 31 days. Okay, children, how many days in the month of March? What will you speak? You all will say there are 31 days in the month of March. Now next one is here. April. 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 April has 30 days. There are 30 days in the month of April. Now next one is here. May. May has 31 days. May has 31 days. After that, June. Next one is here. June. Spelling of June: June. June. June has 30 days. Okay, THIRTY 30. June has 30 days. There are 30 days in the month of June. Now after that, July. 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 July has 31 days. There are 31 days in the month of July. Now August. 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 August has 31 days. Now next one. September. Spelling of September: SEPTEMBER. September. September has 30 days. How many days in the month of September? What will you speak? There are 30 days. Now after that, October. 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 So October has 31 days. Now next one after that, November. 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 In the month of November there are 30 days. THIRTY 30 DAYS days. There are 30 days in the month of November. Now next one is here. November after at last December. You also know children, December is the last month of the year. DECEMBER December, and December has 31 days. Understood children? So let's count one time how many days. Children, you know very well there are 4 months have 30 days. Tell the name: April, June, September and November. Have what we will say? April, June, September, November. It means there are 30 days in the months of April, June, September and November. So how many? I can ask you also, and it will ask the question like this: what? How many months have 30 days? What you will say? There are 4 months have 30 days. Understood children? Now next one is here. And also there are 7 months have, what will you say? 7 months have 31 days. How many months have 31 days? You will say 7 months have 31 days. And at last, and how many days in the month of February? It is the least months. It is the least number of days in the month of February. FEBRUARY, February, and only February has 28 days. Understood children? So with hope you all have understood very nicely. At home children, you all will learn the days, months of the year also, and number of days in each month. Okay you all? So with hope, and also you will learn the short names with the of page number what? Page number 23 and the chapter 17. So you all will learn all nicely and try to complete in your book. So for today, thank you and have a good day.